If you want to know why the law of attraction is not working for you, I invite you to watch the whole video. And the first reason is because our brains not process the word no. According to neurologists, our wonderful brains does not understand the word no. This is why, because our brains cannot translate our word no into an image. The negative expression no does not have an imaging representation in our brain. That is why when you say, I don't want such thing, your brain only sees such thing, omitting the no. And that is why you attract more of such things. Number two, your vibration, which is the result of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, come from what you don't want. So you will receive the same. And this happens for several reasons. Some of them are, you worry about how. And if you worry about how, that can mean perhaps a lack of faith. When you worry about, instead of working for it, doubts will consume yourself. Unfortunately, managing to block, to stop what the universe has prepared for you. Fears. If you are afraid all the time of losing your job, of getting sick, and what you are telling your brain is, I want to get sick, I want to lose my job, and I am afraid to live my life. Forgive time to time. If you are thinking that you will not get what you want because you didn't have it yet, it's wrong and it's dangerous, because what you are doing is stopping the universe for sending you all the blessings that the life has for you. Remember, for everything there is a time, and most of the times good things takes longer to arrive. Live the process of reaching your goals and just keep present in your mind. The time of the Lord of the universe is perfect. And the last one, procrastination, which is the opposite of action and is the opposite of the law of attraction. If you are someone who believes that things will fall from the sky, you are wrong. Believe me. Some people believe that the law of attraction works just by wishing, dreaming, or doing visualizations. But it's not like that. You need to work for it. If you keep saying, I will start tomorrow, I will start tomorrow, you are sending that vibration to the universe that you are not in a hurry, that you don't need it, that tomorrow is okay. So you will be always waiting for tomorrow. Stop delaying what you know you need to do to achieve your goals. Don't live for tomorrow what you can do today. Please stay tuned for my next video by activating the notifications below, because I will be sharing with you the formula of the law of attraction. Thank you so much for watching this video and making this word a better word. Please subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Until next time, universal blessings.